Prom is an event where students can socialize and have fun. We wear exquisite dresses and suits, and we dance the whole night away.
I don't really know where the world is, but I miss it now. I'm out on the edge and I'm screaming my name like a fool at the top of my lungs. Sometimes when I close my eyes, I pretend I'm alright, but it's never enough.
In Araling Panlipunan, we happily celebrated United Nations program at SM Aura.
Pangwakas, ang pagkilala sa mga bayani OFW sa buong mundo ay
Tatak Filipino!